How to delete your Netflix search history. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Netflix search history. So to do that, first of all, open up the Netflix application on your mobile device. After that, make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Now once you're logged in, first of all, you'll be taken to your profile space where you'll have to select any profile you'd like. Now simply go to the profile you want, and then if you go to the search which is in the top right corner of your screen, you may be wondering that these are all of the searches you've done and you want to clear them. But if you look closely, it will say that these are the top searches, meaning whatever you search on Netflix won't show up over here. These are only the top trending searches. So since Netflix doesn't record your search history and it won't show up over here, you won't need to delete it. So if you wanted to delete these, you won't be able to delete them, as these are the top searches provided by Netflix themselves. So hope this video cleared your confusion on how you can delete your Netflix search history. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.